guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this beautiful scarf. This is the KMystic women's scarf that I think is a really good purchase because I find that it's a really good product, not only because the material is great, but also because I find that it's a beautiful print with really nice neutral colors. I love that this is a lightweight material, so I can definitely take it with me on the go wherever I am going, and I can just pop it around my neck like this. Keeps me so nice and warm and cozy, but at the same time it doesn't feel too heavy, and I don't feel like it's drowning me. It just keeps me warm in a really nice light way. And I can even use this as a wrap if I want, because it does have that nice length and width to it, which is beautiful too. So I would definitely recommend this scarf if you are looking for a scarf for yourself or to gift. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.